Right, now our third problem um, is slightly, I'm going to do this one in green. Our third problem is slightly easier, although it looks very complicated. But let's have a look at what's been given to us. We've got here parallel lines, okay, which is a very important clue, because when we've got parallel lines, we can look for co-interior angles, we can look for alternate angles, and we can look for corresponding angles. So let's look at those two parallel lines. We've got a 107-degree angle that's been given here. We've got a 45-degree angle there, and we've also got a triangle which we can use. Look at these lines crossing over there. That means we've got vertically opposite angles over. Oh, wait, I've moved it down. Sorry about that. We've got vertically opposite angles. Let me just get rid of this one. Sorry about that. Over here, we've got vertically opposite angles. Here we've also got vertically opposite angles. We've got those two lines crossing over there, like that. We've got supplementary angles. All those three angles going across. Angle DC and F will equal 180 degrees. Angle E plus A will also equal 180 degrees. So we have a lot of clues that we can work with here. So this one shouldn't be that difficult. Let me get rid of all the mess that I've made here. Right, let's start off with the first one. And let's look at the easiest that we can look at now, and we look at angle C. Remember, you've got to know what to look for here. We've got parallel lines, and these two angles, 107 degrees, and angle C will give me 180 because they are co-interior angles. And remember, co-interior angles between two parallel lines equal 180. So therefore, angle C, if I take 180 and I subtract 107 from it, angle C will be equal to 73 degrees over there. So let's put that down. Just get rid of this. And then I can get back to my pen. So angle C is 73 degrees. Very important to write down what you have found already, because that leads you to find other angles. Sticking with my parallel lines, go for a nice thick green over here. Look at my Z shape over there, which means angle B will equal angle C because they are alternate angles. So therefore, angle B is equal to angle C, which was 73 degrees. Now, because angle B, grab that out quickly, write down what angle B is, 73 degrees. Because angle B is 73, angle G is vertically opposite, and vertically opposite angles, my rule tells me, are equal. So angle G will also equal 73 degrees. Remember, you do not have to go in order of A, then B, then C. It won't always be possible to do that. We go with the clues we've got, and as we find the angles, it doesn't matter in what order we can find them. Let's look at angle D over here. This angle over there, because they're within a triangle, we now have two angles. There's one and there's two. And our third angle, if we add those three together, we should have 180 degrees. If I add 73 and 45, I get, if I'm not mistaken, 111, 118 degrees. I subtract that from 180, and angle D will therefore equal 62 degrees. My eraser, we can write that down. Angle D is equal to 62 degrees. Now, if we have a very careful look, we can see that over here and over here, those are vertically opposite angle E is vertically opposite to angle C and angle D together. So if I add those two up, I'm getting 135 degrees. So therefore angle E should also equal 135 degrees because vertically opposite angles are equal. I could have also, well, I'll find that out now when I go to angle A. Let me just get rid of this over there. All right, angle A, if I look at angle A, I have parallel lines, and there's my Z again for my alternate angles. Angle A will equal 45 degrees, so that's very, very simple. Your alternate angles are the easiest to find if you know what to look for. Very, as well as your vertically opposite angles. So, getting rid of this, and we know that angle A is 45 degrees. Sorry, let me just put my degree sign there. And now we're very close to finishing this because here we have, again, vertically opposite angles. And if A is 45 degrees, then angle F also has to equal 45 degrees.